my channel. It's Nadia, back with another video. So guys, today I wanted to do a 0 to 100 makeup transformation just because I haven't been experimenting with makeup for a long time and I've been going through my makeup and I have so much that I don't use, so I wanted to just sit here and do my makeup. I know that my makeup doesn't go with what I'm wearing. I just wanted to do bright colors since it's starting to get warmer in New York. It's starting to become summer, so I mostly use my Subculture palette and a little bit of my Morphe palette, and I really like how it came out. Yeah, it's very bold. I would definitely wear this to like a summer party, or I don't know, maybe like a garden party, I don't know. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, hit the thumbs up on this video, and hit the bell to be notified for whenever I post. The girl would really appreciate it. And yeah, so let's get straight into the video. Okay guys, so at this point I have already moisturized my face, but now I'm just taking an eyebrow razor and just shaving my peach fuzz a little bit. I got this trick from Carly Bible and I've been doing it ever since, and I am planning on getting laser in the future, so for now this will do. Now I'm just applying chapstick. And now I'm just getting the Benefit Too Faced primer and putting that all over my face. I'm going to let it soak in while I do my eyeshadow. So I'm using my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. That's way too light for me for a eyeshadow base. And then I'm using my Morphe. Wait, am I using Morphe? No, I'm using my Naked palette, and I'm using that dark brown color and putting it all over my crease and just blending it out. It looks really messy now, but I always clean it up later. Now I'm just cutting my crease with more Tarte Shape Tape. Now I'm just taking the color New Wave from my ABH Subculture palette and putting it all over my eyelid. From the same palette, I'm taking the color Electric, which is this beautiful mint sea green, and I'm just going back and forth with Electric and New Wave and blending it so that it looks blended. Okay, after I blended it to my liking, I'm just cleaning up the edges with a Q-tip, and then I'm going to go ahead and apply my lashes. So after applying the lashes, I'm basically done with my eyes. Now I'm going into foundation, and I'm using one of my favorite foundations, the L'Oreal Paris Infallible foundation, and putting that all over my face. And with a foundation brush, I'm just blending everything in. And just to bronze up my face a little bit, I'm taking my Makeup Forever HD bronzer and just putting it on the apples of my cheeks. Now I'm just putting on my NYX Professional Lip Liner in Mocha and my L'Oreal Paris lipstick in Spiced Wine. It's a satin finish, so it adds a little bit of a glossy look, which I love. Next, I am just spraying my face with my setting spray, and that's basically all I'm doing today. Didn't want to wear too much makeup. I always say that in every video, but it's because I hate a caked up face. But if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to thumbs up the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Peace.